everyone, I am Nick speaking. It's been quite a while since I've done a face cam video, but a long time since I've done a cooking video, as you can see on my right. So in this episode, I'll be doing yet another pasta dish called spaghetti with spinach and prawns. That sounds good. This recipe was inspired by a chef called Gino D'Acampo, but I'll be showing you my version as it's all about experimentation. Oh, and then it's also best to serve this one immediately, like when I did the carbonara episodes like 24 months ago, due to the upload date of this video. So without further ado, let's get cooking. So the ingredients for this recipe will be needing 500 grams of long spaghetti broken in half. We'll be sprinkling a bit of salt. Also half a teaspoon of black pepper. You can't see it properly, but you'll get the idea. 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. It doesn't matter which one you use. Now, unfortunately, I do have 2 garlic cloves, but I don't have the red chilli. So alternatively, I'll be using 1 heaped teaspoon of chopped onions. Includes a normal onion, red onion, seasoning peppers, garlic and ginger. Nice variety. Then we'll be using 250 grams of spinach leaves. Then we've also got 360 grams of prawns, very nice, uncooked and peeled. Then we have 4 tablespoons of chopped fat leaf parsley. Then there's 2 fresh tomatoes diced up, if you can see down here. And optional option is if you use half a lime or lemon, can't get my words right. So now that I've put some garlic bread in as an optional choice, but we always like to have it. So without further ado, after the water has been boiled, we then put our spaghetti in. So this may take quite a while. Broken in half. A few bits may go all over the place, so try and be careful. And I'll lower down the heat because it's bubbling quite vigorously. Now portions can vary from person to person. So I recommend it will be served for 4 people, but it may be for 5. And I'll give that a quick stir. Now meanwhile we'll move on to the larger pot where all the other stuff will go in. So we start off by heating up some oil on a medium heat. Now that the pasta is on its process of cooking, we now move on to the larger pot where we add all our other ingredients. So I've already put in the cooking oil for it to warm up. And meanwhile, we will then put our 1 heaped teaspoon of the chopped onions, hopefully not too much. That should do the trick. And we should make that sizzle for roughly 2 minutes. It's important to make sure that it's golden and not burnt, so always keep an eye on your food. Now because we don't have any chilli for this procedure because of the chopped onions, we're going to go straight into the spinach so we can cook that for about 3 to 4 minutes. So now we're going to add most of the other ingredients, starting with the prawns. I do like my prawns with more or less anything. And here's a fun fact. When I was in New York, back in June 2015, there was like a pasta dish that I had at Ruby Tuesdays. And it involved some pasta and prawns. That was amazing. I'll probably show you a picture of it. So prawns are rinsed, so now we'll sprinkle some parsley. Actually no, we'll pour it in, I meant to say. There we go, give that a quick stir. Sprinkle a bit of salt. and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Maybe slightly less, we'll see. And then we cook this for about a further 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the garlic bread, I'm going to turn off the pasta, because now we're going to drain the water. Let me just have a quick check. Yeah, pasta looks good to me, so we're going to drain that and then we'll transfer it into the large pot. So in goes the pasta. I hope I didn't cook too much, because sometimes I can get my quantities inaccurate. But even so, I can always have it for lunch the next day. So now we're going to pour in our tomatoes. I'm going to load the heat as well. Squeeze our lime, because that's all I've got. Gives it that extra zing, don't you think? And here is my masterpiece of spaghetti with prawns and spinach. I tried to make sure that I've got everything in for everyone, but quantities can be unpredictable sometimes, but hey, I try my best. There we go. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, why don't you find a recipe of your choice and click that like button. And feel free to check out my other content, including facecam and gaming. This is Nick Ashfield saying thank you all for watching. Take care, folks. I will see you next time.